Hello and welcome to the topic types of media, and the lesson is English for media students or students of media. Types of media, we have basically two different types of media. The first one is print media and the second one is electronic media. Let's first discuss about print media. What is print media? Anything that is printed on paper with the purpose of sharing with people may be termed as print media. We have some more points. It is the oldest type of media. Since long, we have been using this media, that is to say, print media. We continue about print media. Print media demands readers to be literate as it needs to read the information. If you are not literate, you cannot read, you cannot have full advantage of print media. We have next. It needs more time to edit and update as the new printed materials take time to be released. And you know, print media is time taking. We edit and we update, we print and we distribute. So it needs more time to manage things. Okay, next we continue about print media. Print media is not available 24 hours and 7 days. That's very much clear. It comes in interval. For instance, daily, fortnightly, monthly, or quarterly, etc. It depends upon. We have daily newspaper, sometimes we have fortnightly magazine, monthly magazine, or quarterly journal, something like this. So it comes in interval, not like every moment, every second as we have in electronic media. Okay, we continue about print media. Print media consumes time. It's time taking. It's time consuming. Okay, it decimates information slowly. Means the information that it spreads takes time to reach people. We can have examples of print media, and the most famous example of print media is newspapers, and we can see different types of newspapers in the picture itself. We have another examples of print media, journals, and we can see different types of journals like Journal of Historical Geography, Journal of Islamic Studies, Journal of African Affairs, Journal of Language in Society. So we have this example of print media. Then we have the examples of print media as magazines, and we can see different types of magazines when we go to the railway station, at the airport, or at the bookstore. Then examples of print media, that's books. We can see different types of books. They are the best examples of print media too. Examples of print media, we can include reports of a company or any organization. We can have half-yearly report, annual report, and so on. They could be taken as examples of print media. That's all. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.